Welcome back. In today's lesson, you're gonna see the practicals on footprinting and reconnaissance. Now, looking at the overview and concepts, we will get you through the learning for footprinting through search engines, footprinting through web services, footprinting through social networking sites, website footprinting, email footprinting, who is footprinting, DNS footprinting, network footprinting, and footprinting through social engineering. Now, the first topic is footprinting through search engines. Attackers can use search engines to extract information about the target. He or she can extract information such as technology platforms, employee details, login pages, internet portals, etc. It helps them in performing social engineering and other type of attacks. Take for an example, you want to create a phishing page to hack someone's Facebook account. For this, you need to know the target and contact him, her, or indirectly. This can be done via his or her Facebook Messenger or anything which the target or the victim uses. Also, you have to visit the Facebook login page to create a similar duplicate page. In the above steps, you collected information from search engine. Apart from obtaining information from search engines, caches, and internet archives may also provide sensitive information that has been removed from the World Wide Web. This technique is mainly used whenever you want to get details of a server which were removed by the administrator a few days ago, or when you want to get the details of a website at a particular past date. Now, there are a lot of major search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, Baidu, DuckDuckGo, Ask.com, and many more. So let's use one of these on our demonstration. Now we are using the Google search engine. If I go and search for McAfee, you will see we get a lot of information. The first one being the official website of the company. Now we get a lot of information from the Google itself, like all these links leading to different domains and even some of them being to social networking sites. Even if you see on these right part, you will see that we have the address and also the closing and opening time, the phone number, and even the website directions as well. Looking below, you can see the reviews and everything which you want, which you can store as an information. Now we can do like a thing like called people search from social networking sites or people search services. Social networking sites are the great source of personal and organizational information. Information about an individual can be found at various people search websites. The people search returns the following information about a person or an organization. For example, the residential address and email addresses, contact numbers and date of birth, photos and social networking profiles, blog URLs, private residencies, and even upcoming projects and operating environment. So now let's check the target company on LinkedIn.com, which is a famous social networking site for jobs and people search. So as the page loads, we can see the target company and all the details about the company, the website, the industry which they are, the company size, headquarters, and much more, even when the company was founded. You can see the posts, even the jobs they are offering, and also we can see the name of the all employees working over here one by one. So that's how we do the people search using LinkedIn. Now we can also monitor the target using alerts. What are alerts? Alerts are the content monitoring services that provide up-to-date information based on your preference using email or SMS in an automated manner. Examples of alert services can be the Google Alerts, Yahoo Alerts, Twitter Alerts, and Giga Alerts. So let's go through and show you how the Google Alerts look like. Now looking into the Google Alerts web page, we can see that we can create an alert about anything. For example, if I search for McAfee, you can see that we are currently not having any recent results for the search query, but below are the results that match our query. So we can see all these results being given to us, and also we can create an alert. And if you just click on this show options, we'll get a huge options like how often do you want the alert to be given to you, even the sources. For example, if you click on it, you can see the news, blogs, web, video, books, discussion, and finance. The language of your choice, the region, which region you want, and even how many results you want. Like you can even select all the results, and then you can just provide your email address over here and then create an alert. What this will do is it will just create an alert, and whenever there's something new about McAfee on the web, you will just get an alert on your email regarding that. Now we can also gather information from financial services. Financial services provides a useful information about the target company, such as market value of a company's share, company profile, competitor details, etc. The two of the famous financial services are Google Finance and Yahoo Finance. So this is Google Finance. Here you can see about the companies, markets, world markets, even currencies, the values and all, currency values, stock market values, and much more. Now, going for information gathering using groups, forums, and blogs. Groups, forums, and blogs provide sensitive information about a target, such as public network information, system information, personal information, etc. You can register with fake profiles in Google Groups, Yahoo Groups, etc., and try to join the target's organization, companies, employee groups where they share personal and company information. Search for information by fully qualified domain name, which is FQDN, IP addresses, and usernames in the groups, forums, and blogs. Now, here's an example of Google Groups. If we just click on it, now we aren't any member of any groups yet, since we haven't joined the target's company group or anything. To join, you might need to have the link to it or any kind of invitation, which you need to get or find out through your information gathering phase. You can collect location information using Google Earth tool to get the physical location of the target. There are some other tools for finding the geographical locations like Google Earth, Google Maps, Wikimapia, National Geographic Maps, Yahoo Maps, and Bing Maps. So far, we have covered footprinting through search engines, collecting the location informations, doing people searches using LinkedIn and other websites, gathering information from financial services, footprinting through job sites, monitoring target using alerts, information gathering using groups, forums, and blogs. In the next video, we'll be covering up footprinting using advanced Google hacking techniques. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Thanks a lot.